here. Let's set up and start selling.
Rainbow Slushies here, cold and delicious.
Whoa!
Look, buddy, that's a slushy van.
I want it! I want it!
Me too. One strawberry slushy, please.
Blueberry for me!
Coming right up. I'll pour strawberry syrup into one tank and blueberry syrup into the other. Then add the ice cubes in. Now I'll close the mixing unit.
A few moments later.
The slushies are ready to serve. I'll pour them into the cups.
Wow! Wow!
Here are the strawberry and blueberry.
The best slushy I've ever had.
So freezing!
How to build the slushy van. Number 1, build the van body. I'll build the first side walls on the chassis first. Steering wheel. Driver seats. Ingredient cabinet. Next, I'll build the first serving counter, coffee machine, cup holder, and another counter on the other side, dessert shelf, cash register. Then finish the rear with a curtain door, the roof, serving window, side mirror. Number 2, build the slushy maker. Now I'll build a stirring paddle, rubber band, motor, battery box. Then build the lid with this stirring paddle. Spout. I need 2 lids for the 2 slushy tanks. Plastic tank. Testing. Both tanks are mixing perfectly.
We're here.
Fresh slushies here, cold and refreshing.
Oh, I need something to cut the greasiness. One layered mixed slushie, please.
Got it. Big cup coming up. Here you go.
That's a lot. I'm so full and satisfied.
I haven't had a slushie in ages.
Yeah, let's get one. Oh, slushy.
2 flavors, please!
Make it extra icy.
All in progress.
Are you okay?
I got an idea.
Huh?
Look.
Huh? I think we need to move the sand away.
Okay.
Hello, Tom, I need all those vegetables.
Huh?
Look.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you, Alex.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
Fabric dyeing workshop.
Today our workshop will test these two dyeing machines to see who's the dyeing champion. First up, the dip dyeing machine, a classic one that works by dipping fabric straight into the bath. And the turbo dyeing machine, new tech with a rotary drum for fast, even dyeing. Are you ready, everyone? Let's begin.
How to build the dip dyeing machine.
The fabrics for dyeing have arrived.
Oh! Red dye.
Let's run the machine. Wow, so strong. It's done.
This fabric turned out patchy in color and torn with holes.
So wrecked. Totally 1 star.
Alright, turbo dyeing machine is up next.
Aha! Time to fire up turbo dyer. I'll put the fabric into the drum and pour the red dye into the dispenser. Look, the water's been pumped into the dyeing drum.
How to build the turbo dyeing machine. First, I'll place the back wall onto the base, the motor. Then add the motor unit to the back wall. Dyeing drum. Add the support post, and add the rest of the back wall. Now I'll add 2 plastic pipes for filling in and draining out water. Water in. Water out. Next, I'll build the left wall. Add the bracket to hold dye dispenser. The right wall. The front wall. Control panel. Dye dispenser. Glass door. The cover. Testing. White slime. Green dye. Great! The white slime has turned into green slime.
The drum spins non-stop. It will help the fabric soak color evenly.
Whoa!
Let's flush the water out. Now, it will switch to heating mode. High pressure and heat will dry the fabric fast and keep the colors lasting longer.
Wow, the fabric is quite hot and beautiful.
The fabric color from our machine is so deep and sharp.
So the champion today is the turbo dyeing machine. Now we'll try the special dyeing method, tie-dye. I've got a tied fabric bundle here. Let's try it.
Whoa!
Wow, looks fantastic. This machine is the best.
Car garage, showroom.
What's this? The showroom's totally empty!
Where's the one I ordered?
We've been waiting all morning.
Please hang on. Your cars are on the way right now.
A few moments later.
Car cargo dock.
The brand new cars have just arrived.
Perfect timing. Wait, this tiny truck can't carry all of that. Boss, I need something bigger to haul these cars.
Got it. I'll send in the garage truck. Garage truck is here.
Wow, this truck is so huge.
No time to waste. Start loading the cars now.
The truck's head is opening for the cars to drive up. The third floor is full. Let's lift it up.
Oh no, it's too heavy. The truck can't pull it up.
We need to reinforce our garage truck. I'll add this support beam to make it sturdier.
How to build the multi-floor garage truck. Number 1, build the truck cab. First, I'll build the drive mechanism. Piston. These 2 pistons will push the truck head up and down. Battery box. Now I'll attach the hood. Cabin seat. Truck roof. The door. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. The ramp. This ramp lets the cars drive up to the carrier. Now the truck cab opens and closes smoothly, letting the cars enter from here. Number 2, build the carrier rack. I'll build the first floor to carry the cars. There are a total of 3 floors. Next, I'll install the motor shaft. The motor. These lift arms are used to raise the floors. First floor, second floor, third floor. All 3 floors are done. Add the wheels. Check it. Connect carrier rack to truck head. Testing. 3-floor mode. Straight line mode.
Let's go. All the cars are loaded. This truck is amazing, boss.
All right, let's head back.
Finally, they've brought the cars back.
All cars are in the showroom.
All the cars are ready. Please pick the one you like. Car showroom speaking. I'll send 3 Super Lego Premium cars to you right away. Let's go.